equivalent expressions. Which expressions are equivalent to z plus parentheses z plus 6? Notice on this one right here there is no number in front. So what we could do is we could just actually combine these z's together. So by combining those z's together we can get 2z plus 6. So we're looking for anything that gives us 2z plus 6. This one is no good because there's 3 letter z's there. This is not a very good choice because there's only one z there. This one is actually a good choice because if you multiply 2 times z, you get 6 letter z. So 6, let's see, you get 6 letter z there. Actually, that's incorrect, not 6. Actually, when you do multiply through this, you would get 2 letters z because 2 times z is 2 letters z. And then you would take 2 times 3, which gives you the 6, which does match this problem here. So really, the only one that does work here is C. Let's go to the next one. Here we want to multiply through. So here it says choose 3 answers. So we're looking for 3 answers. So we do multiply by 2 here. We get 8 letter F plus 4G. So going through this, we're looking for 8 letter F and 4G. Well, there's the 8F, but there's only 2G. Right here, 2 times 4 is 8. So there's our 8F. But you have 2 times 2f times 2g, you're going to carry this f across. So right here you would actually have the 8f here that we need, but you got to realize that the 2 times 2 is the 4, but you're bringing this f along here and you're actually making letter f, letter g, so that one is no good as well. Now this one does match our answer exactly, so C would be of course one of our choices here. Now this choice right here, let's take a look at D. Okay, now we want to make this an 8f. So 4 times 2f is 8f. That's a good choice. Now 4 times g is 4g, so that does work. Now the next one right here, we should add this up. So we have 4f plus 4f, so that is 8f, and then we do have the 4g after it. So it looks like it would be these 3 right here. So it would be C, D, and F. So let's check it, and it's correct. Let's look at the next one. Which expression is equivalent? So right here we do have actually 1, 2, 3. So you could actually see that there's 3 Q's there, and you could count that out. So you have 1, 2, 3. Now you have 2 letter P, so you have a 2 and then the letter P there. So now it says choose all answers that will apply. So this right here is correct. Now even though it's switched around, that's okay because the 3Q is positive and the 2P is positive, so that's fine. So A would be a choice. Now what about this one? Well, when you multiply through here, you get the 2 letter P, which is the 2P right here, which is fine. And then 2 times Q does give you 2Q. But when you take this 2Q and add it to the other Q, that does give you the 3Q. So this one is actually a good choice too. So there's your 2 letter P, matches there. 2 times Q is 2Q. With the additional other P does move you up to 3Q. So it looks like A and B. So let's go to the next choice. So which expressions are equivalent to 3x plus 3 times x plus y? So right here you got your 3x. You have your 3x plus your 3y. Now notice that, you can combine these together. We can put circles around those. We can put a box here. So at the end you get, 6x plus 3y. Now it says choose all answers. We can have more than one answers. Notice A matches it exactly. Now what's going on here is we have a 3x and another 3x. So 3x and 3x. That gives me 6x. Or you could even add these up and make that into a 2x. So 2x times 3 is 6x. So either way, you do have 6x. Now, when you take the 3 times the y, it does match with the 3y, so B is a good choice. Now, C is not, because it just says 3xy, and of course the x and y are separate. We do have a 6 in here, so again, this doesn't even close to what our answer should be. Okay, next we want to choose up to 3 answers here, and they give us the expression 4a plus 5b. So we're going to take 4 times a is 16a, multiply this by 5, so that gives me 20. So we have 16a plus 20. Wow, a looks like it could be the answer, but it's not. It's b, because b is the exact match. Now, what about this problem here? Well, there's our 20, there's our plus 20, and notice if you take 12a plus 4a, there's 16a. So that's our second choice. So now there's one other hidden answer here. So let's take a look at this one. You could take 2 times 8a, well that's 16a, 2 times 10 is 20, so yes, that does work, so D is our answer. So E should be incorrect. Well, let's see if it is incorrect. Well, we do have a 16a, but notice that they're adding, not multiplying, because 5 plus 4 is 9, not 5 times 4 is 20, so this is addition, so that's incorrect. So only B, C, and D. Okay, now we want to figure out which expressions are equivalent. Now here they're trying to be a little bit tricky. They put the 2 in the back. So really you could rewrite this and put the 2 in front. So let me go ahead and erase this. So let's start again. So we'll go with the 2 here. We'll try to put down our parentheses. That's a better parentheses there. So we go 5g plus 3h plus 4. Now let's go ahead and multiply this. So we get 10g plus 6h, so that's a g, plus 6 letter h plus 8. So let's see if we have something here. So 10g plus 6h plus 8. So we should have actually 3 terms here. Notice this is 5g. We're actually going to end up multiplying this through, so that's 40, that's 24, nope, and plus it's not even 3 terms there. Same thing with this. There's not even 3 terms here. So this would definitely be none of the above. Okay, next question. Which expression is equivalent to? Okay, now we can multiply through this by 2. So this gives me 2b plus 6 letter c. Now notice right here it says choose all answers, so there's more than one answer here. So if we multiply here, immediately there's a problem here, because 3 times b is 3b where it should be 2b. Now right here we have a b and a b. Well, there's my 2b. A 3c and a 3c is a 6c, so b is a good choice. Now right here, if we multiply here, 2 times b is 2b, we got that. 2 times 3 is 6c, so we got that. So again, choose all answers, so we know that's going to be more than one answer there, so it's going to be B and C.